Why has flooding in Virginia continued to get worse year after year? The answer is simple: sea level rise. The ocean is now 14 inches higher than it was in 1950. So now Virginia is like a bathtub, filled close to the top. Small increases can push the water over the edge, into the streets, causing more and more flooding. We see this the most in October and November, when the moon is closest to the Earth, causing high tides to be up to 1.5 feet higher than normal high tides. This increase, added on top of 14 inches of sea level rise, can cause flooding even on sunny days. And it isn't just the higher tides in October and November. Rainstorms that used to simply flow down the drain now cause floods. That's because the groundwater rises along with sea level. So there's less room underground for rain to flow into. If the drain fills up, rainwater fills the streets. Another big risk is how this worsens hurricane damage. When Hurricane Matthew passed our coast in 2016, the flooding was 14 inches worse than it would have been in 1950. That means hurricane flooding stays longer now, as the higher sea level slows the drainage of water from road back to sea. FEMA studies have shown that every $1 spent protecting us today saves an average of $4 in recovery costs tomorrow. Our homes, schools, drinking water, streets, and cars need to be protected. With more water comes more costs. Cities and counties are spending more taxpayer dollars today trying to deal with rising seas. While this costs us money today, it is a smart investment.